friend we have in Jesus. All our sins and griefs to bear. What a privilege to carry
Una good morning, all of una wey dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Tuesday, 30th of January 2024, and the topic for today's message na servant or pikin. Our memory verse dey for the book of 1 Chronicles chapter 17 verse 13, and it talk say, I go be your papa and he go be my pikin. I go always support am and I no go leave am as I leave Saul wey you take over from. Our Bible reading dey for Luke chapter 15 verse 11 to 32. Then Jesus say, one man dey wey get two pikin. The young pikin come tell him papa say, Papa, give me my own share for our property. So him papa come give am. After some time, the young boy come carry everything wey he get travel go one far country. He come waste all him money for yeye life. When he don finish everything wey dey him hand, he no come see anything shop because hunger dey for that country. Na so he come dey suffer. He come dey work for one man for there. The man dey always send am go him farm make he go give pigs dem food. The hunger wey dey mama am come make am wan dey chop the food wey the pig dem dey chop because nobody gree give am food. But when him eye come clear, na so he come talk for him mind say, all my papa servants dem dey get food wey dem no even fit chop finish. For see as hunger don nearly kill me for here finish. I go get up go meet my papa. I go tell am say, Daddy, I know say I don offend heaven and I don offend you well well. I no reach make dem call me your pikin again. Abeg, make you take me as one of your servants. Na so he come get up come go meet him papa. But when him papa see am dey come from far, him papa pity for am well well. Na so him papa run go meet am. He hold am near him body, he come kiss am. Him pikin come tell am, Papa, I know say I don offend heaven and I don offend you well well. I no reach make anybody call me your pikin again. Abeg, take me as one of your servants. But the papa come call all him servants come tell them say, make una bring the best cloth, ring and shoe. Make una wear all of them for my pikin body. Then make una go take the malu wey fat pass. Make na kill am, make we do party. Because this my pikin don die before, but now he don come back to life. He lost before, but now I don see am. Na so the party come start. By that time, the senior pikin dey come for farm when he go work. When he don dey near house, he come dey hear music. He come dey see say people dey dance. Na so he come call one servant come ask am, wetin dey happen? The servant come answer, na your brother o, he don come back o, and your papa don kill the malu wey fat well well because he come back well and nothing bad happen to am. Na so the senior brother come dey vex. Na so he no gree enter house. Him papa come beg am make he enter. So he come tell him papa, see, all these years I don dey work like slave for you. I no get any time wey I disobey you, but you never give me even one small goat make I do party with my friends. But when this your pikin come back after I don waste all your money with ashewo people, you come kill the malu wey fat pass for am. The papa come tell am, my pikin, you always dey with me and everything wey I get na your own. But e good make I do party because your brother don die before, but now he don come back to life. He lost before, but now we don see am. Now the message. Anytime when I talk say I no be God's servant but I be a pikin, some people dey always dey surprised whether any difference dey between servant of God and children of God. The simple truth be say Baba God's pikin get plenty opportunity when him servants no get. For John chapter 8 verse 35, Bible talk say person wey be servant no dey stay for inside that family forever, But person wey be pikin for the family, na im dey stay for the house forever o. Servant fit talk say e wan stop work or dem sack am, but dem no fit sack pikin. If papa talk say I no want you again as my pikin, I don disown you, dat one na joke o, because the blood still dey flow for the pikin body. E no fit comot the blood for the pikin. Dat one mean say pikin go always dey for house. The result of dis many well well. For example, Psalm 23 verse 6 talk say, true true, in goodness and love wey no dey fail go dey follow me till I die, and I go dey for God house forever and ever. The person wey dey Baba God house forever and ever get guarantee say goodness and mercy go follow am forever be dat o. Also, for Psalm chapter 91 verse 1, Bible talk say people wey dey stay for where Baba God wey be the Almighty dey stay go dey safe under his shadow. Servants na visitor dem be. Dem go come their oga house when their oga need dem, and dem go comot when their oga no need dem again. But as for pikin, na inside house dem dey stay every time. Another thing be say, just the way John chapter 5 verse 20 take put am, pikin dey always dey see everything wey papa dey do. Servant no fit see everything wey your oga dey do. E dey sweet belle well well to know wetin Baba God dey do, and to even see wetin e go do even before e do am. For example, some years ago, if kasala wan burst, I dey always dey tell people wey dey close to me, kasala go burst o, but if e don happen finish, person go laugh. And na so e go happen because I get the opportunity as pikin to see wetin my papa dey do. E get some kind things wey fit happen to servant wey no fit happen to pikin. Example be say, as Job take good reach, God call am servant. No wonder God allow make Satan fit do experiment for im life. We fit see am for Job chapter 1 verse 8 to 12. My papa no go allow make my enemy use my health, my property dem, and everything wey I get do experiment because I be im pikin. By the grace of God, tomorrow I go start the topic on how to be Baba God pikin. The main point for today's message be say, to be Baba God pikin carry weight pass to be im servant o. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.